Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 1920s, I'm just gonna say that, inspired gothic look. I don't even know if that's accurate, but it's what I can think of right now. So yeah, I was actually inspired by the show Taboo, but I don't know if this look actually goes with the show. I don't know, but yeah, I was inspired by that show and I wanted to do a look and I did it. Alright, if you want to see how to go about this, keep watching. So for this tutorial, you're going to need these two palettes. We're going to be using the Chocolates by Juvia's and these three shades on top and a little bit of this one right here. So these two are similar but different. I think this has like a warmer tone and this is more of a cool tone brown, the shimmer and that. The mauves also from Juvia's, and this one will be our blush. So I started with this one and then applied this one, which has more of a purplish tone to it to get this here. The brushes. So I used several brushes. These are the ones I used for my eyes, and they're all basically pencil and blending. So these guys, you see that? It's a little bigger, this one's small, and this is more of a pencil brush because it's more narrow. And then this little tiny pencil brush here. So these. And, oh, I forgot this guy right here too. This is just a regular shadow brush or shader brush. I also used this guy right here. This is a double-ended brush I got in one of my Ipsy bags, but it's got like a large blending, and I'm using this to blend my concealer. And then this is the one I used for the blush. And this is the concealer I'm using. It's from e.l.f. and it's like light beige. Also a little pencil brush, a little pencil liner in black. Any one that you have will work. I just have that one and I want to use it up. And then a felt tip liquid eyeliner in black. This one's from Wet n Wild and it's called the Breakup Proof. I don't know, they had it out during Halloween and I decided I would try it, and I actually really love it. It's great. Great. I think it's a brush, not a felt, but it's more of a brush because one of the little hairs got messed up when I put the cap on. So it's like a brush tip, not a felt tip. Any black mascara you have, I want to finish this too, so I'm using it. Alright, didn't get anything for the lips, so I was going to go with a dark lip, but I'm wearing this top, so I don't know, but I can always remove it. So I'm just going to use this and a black pencil. So any black lip liner to line. I wanted dark lips and dark eyes. I want to look kind of goth, but in a, I don't know, more of a 1920-ish type way. Okay, let's begin. Dot this. I like that it comes with the applicator too. And this stuff is very, very thick, so you don't need a lot. I'm gonna take the brush to pat it on. You can use your finger if you want. I want to avoid getting my fingers dirty right now. I actually have a dinner to go to tonight, so I decided to kill two birds with one stone and go ahead and record this talk through. Kind of like a get ready with me, but not. And get ready for tonight. So we're gonna start with this palette right here into the first brown, which is this one right here. Let's hope I don't have any focus issues. I'm trying to stay right in front of the camera. I swear, my phone. And just applying on the outer, I always start on the outer corner, you know, because I don't like to put too much in here. So here you can start and then just spread it. And what's great about applying with a blending brush is that you don't have to switch brushes, you just apply and blend. Now towards the middle and the inside, and we blend. There's going to be a lot of blending for this look, so however long you see me blend, go longer, because when I edit, I cut it short so the video isn't an hour long. So you can pause and continue blending until you get a very smooth look like this. Yes, we apply more. I'm going all the way out. I'm going to apply some on the bottom. And I'm intentionally, on purpose, going way below. As you see, I didn't stay up here, I went way below because of the look I want to achieve. Okay, now I'm going to go into the other brown with the same brush. I'm gonna blend these two just to create a little depth, you know. And then I can't ever just do one color and be done with it. I always have to add 2 or 3 together, 4. Whenever I do my makeup, I'm like, oh, just something simple. And then I keep adding and adding. Okay, I'm gonna take this guy now and back into the original brown. I really want to concentrate on the eyelid here, along the lash line. Just patting it. Making that eyelid a little more dark. Just like that. Small one, just to be more precise. I'm gonna go under here, like that. Wherever you have the wrinkle, that's where you make the line. Not on the lash line, but underneath, like under. And now with this one, we're gonna go in here to this color, in here to this color. Apply it up like that. And we're gonna go back and apply more brown because I don't think it's dark enough yet. And a little underneath. This will just add some warmth, you know, without completely changing it. I think I have been inspired by, I don't know if you guys have watched the show called Taboo with Tom Hardy. Yeah. Tom Hardy and the makeup of the prostitutes. They, it was actually pretty cool. It's like all smeared and messy and dark. So I got inspired a little bit by that look, but I didn't want to wear that messy look. So came up with this. Back with this guy into the warmer brown, dark brown, and back again in here. And up a little bit. And then back into this one, just outer corner, like that. Blending brush to smooth it out and bring it out. So yeah, I wanted to achieve that look without it being so messy. And notice I'm coming in here as well, so like basically the whole area, and that look kind of dead, right? Yeah. So now taking this into the shimmery middle shade right here. That is a gorgeous color. Look at that. It is really beautiful. And I'm just gonna tap it right on the center, just to capture light, not really giving it much of a shape, just like that. I'm taking this pencil brush. I keep saying pencil brush when I grab this eyeliner, mechanical eyeliner, and I'm gonna start lining underneath. And also this line, you want it thick, not thin. And then I'm going to tight line, which you don't have to do if it's too uncomfortable. It's when you go to the top eyelid and line that. It's weird, but it's great for filling that lash line, fill in all those gaps. And then after that, we're going to take this guy here and blend that eyeliner because you don't want it to be too obvious. Just wanted to kind of blend with the shadow. Okay, now we're going to take this guy here, the brush tip eyeliner, and starting at the inner corner, staying along the lash line. You don't want this one to be too thick. Just following the lash line, bringing it all the way down to where it ends and under. This is basically following the whole length of your eye, not cutting it short like some people do. They go up and they cut the length of their eye short. So this is just following the whole length of your eye. And I am going to go with the liquid eyeliner against the lash line. And here. Now we're going to put on some mascara. Did both top and bottom lashes. And I did put more on the bottom than I usually do to really make them stand out. Okay, blush time. I'm going to take our mauve palette and we're going to go into the first light mauve shade here. Lightly tap so it's like that. You can barely see it, right? Yeah, you don't want a lot. Just start little by little, applying it right on the apple of the cheek and working it up like that, I really wanted to do like more of a, but I am going to be around people, so I think this is intense enough. So again, now that the whole cheek is covered, we're going to go into the purple. It is like a very, it is kind of purple. Also tapping lightly so you can barely see it. But when you put it on, you really see it. So you see it does change the color and intensify. And you can go ham and go darker if you want. Just make sure it's well blended and you should be fine. Lip time. I'm gonna go into this hard candy all matte up. And this is Venom, right? Yes, Venom. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, I love it. And now I'm gonna go in with this guy and really just darken it. I think we're gonna need a lip brush. Go ahead and grab a lip brush. Why is my voice disappearing? Go ahead and grab a lip brush, and we're gonna use this to blend. Go over the black. We still love doing the, guys remember the black lip liner and then the red inside? I used to love that. And put on a lot of this color because it's kind of thin, but it's so beautiful. And then mix. This actually might work. I really like it. There you go. Yeah, so there it is. A gothic, I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Gothic, what do you guys think? 1920-ish maybe. Without the penciled in, like thin brows. I didn't want to do that. Ooh. But yeah, 1920s inspired. I will say that. Gothic look with my pumpkin colored nails. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give my video the thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more tutorials to come in the future. And as always, rock on. Frosted coffee, man, I love them.